holiday season with Thanksgiving already behind us, so I wanted to share with you some of my many blessings, of course, my family and my friends and all you wonderful people out there in YouTube land. Mwah! The Scotch egg is up for debate with a lot of theories surrounding its origins. The London department store Fortnum and Mason claim to have invented the Scotch egg back in 1738 as a traveller's snack. The Scotch egg consists of a hard or soft-boiled egg wrapped in sausage meat, coated in breadcrumbs, baked or deep-fried. For my take on this traditional recipe, you will need 5 eggs, 1 pound of sausage meat, 16 ounces of sunflower oil, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon herbes provençal, 1 teaspoon dry rub sage, fresh leafy greens, half a lemon, and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Step 1. Bang! Boil these eggs. 4 to 5 minutes, which I already did last night. Then we're going to go ahead and take our sausage meat from our fridge. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of herbes provençal and 1 teaspoon of rubbed dry sage. And then we're going to mix it all together. And then we're going to divide it into 4 quarters. And coat our boiled eggs season them with salt and pepper on all sides. It's rustic, it's home cooking. And then we're going to coat each egg in a nice portion of the sausage meat. We're going to wrap it around into a ball so the egg is completely covered, just like that. Perfect. So we went ahead and put our Scotch eggs in the fridge to chill. Now, breadcrumbs. Everybody knows I shop at Trader Joe's. I like these ones. I like to add a little bit extra seasoning to mine. So we're going to go ahead and open these. If I can open them. They're not opening. Okay, I need scissors. Where are my scissors? Here's my scissors. Got it. Interesting fact, up until 1809, the Scotch egg didn't have a breadcrumb crust. Although by 1861, Isabel Beeton suggested that we do a breadcrumb crust. So I guess we have her to thank for that. And then I go ahead and add my extra seasoning. Just mix that through with your fingers and break that into there. And just to make your eggs go a little further, I'm going to add a little milk to mine. Gently whisk that up. I'm going to use a medium to small saucepan. I'm going to put that on the heat. I use sunflower oil. It has a high burning content. And go ahead and fill whichever saucepan you decide to use half full with the oil and gently heat that. I'm going to turn mine down to medium, and then I'm going to go ahead and spread my Scotch eggs. Yummy. Ooh, yummy. Scotch egg looks good just like that. They're rustic, home cooking at its best. So just go ahead and push those into the breadcrumbs. Coat them, make sure they're all coated, push them down, because then they'll be yummy and crunchy when you bite into them. Super delicious. So now we've done our Scotch eggs, they're all breaded. We're going to go ahead and add those one at a time to the hot oil. Now the oil should be around 360 to 375 in temperature. If you don't have an oil thermometer, you could actually, there's a neat trick. You can actually stick the handle of a wooden spoon into the oil and all the bubbles will form around the handle if it's to temperature. Now when you've placed the Scotch egg in the hot oil for about 30 seconds, turning it till it's all golden brown, turn the heat way down low and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. So you cook the sausage meat through. You don't want to burn all the sausage meat before you've cooked it through. While your full Scotch egg is cooking, go ahead and plate your salad. I just use a basic leafy salad and I dressed it fresh lemon juice and olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and a little sea salt and pepper. So here we have it. Yummy, delicious, golden crunchy Scotch eggs. So there we have it. Beautiful, crispy, crunchy Scotch eggs. Let's go ahead and hit those with a little salt and pepper. Ooh, so yummy. I can't wait to dig into these. These bring me back to my childhood. Yes, it never failed. Wherever we put our bloomin' blanket, we were eaten alive by red ants. And if we weren't on a picnic on land, we were on the beach and eaten by flippin' sand fleas. So my suggestion to you is stay home in the comfort of your own home and enjoy this Scotch egg with a nice cup of tea. And then we're going to try. Woo! Nothing like a cuppa, is there? Alright. So let's go ahead and try. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper in the middle. Woo! So yummy, I can't wait. Oh, let's try it here. Nice big bite. Mmm, crunchy. Mmm, delicious. The flavour of the sage is coming through, and all the herbs Provençal I added to it, and the crunchiness of the breadcrumbs. Isabel Beaton had the right idea by adding the breadcrumbs. Delicious. And the egg, oh, luxurious. Please go ahead and try it. Remember, if you like this recipe, go ahead and hit like and subscribe and ring that bell. And come back and see me next Friday and every Friday after that for some more dated recipes. Toodle pip. Mmm, so good.